Let's go on YouTube. Maybe I should make a video. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been quite a long time since the last video I made, probably like last April or something like that. Suppose I should make a new one. A lot's changed. Been doing a lot of ice fishing lately. I think I'll make a rod tour video just because, I was just looking at them, admiring their beauty, of their cheapness, but they work, so. And first off, this is my beauty. I won this girl in a youth fishing tournament. Never really, I don't use it that much because, I don't know, it was like worth 15 bucks. But it's so light, pretty flimsy. Might use it for panfish someday. Who knows? Here's the brand new 13 Fishing. It's a heat wave model. It's supposed to be pretty good for its price. It's probably their cheapest one I found. Got it for Christmas, so. Here's the one that's slightly broken. It's another pretty cheap one. Saw this one going for like 30 bucks. Is that? Oh, got it for Christmas. It's called the Polar Fire. I have no clue. See it going for like 35 bucks. Just been using it, but the only thing is this part is broken because I had to glue it back together. First glued it with Gorilla Glue. Worked pretty good until it broke again. So now it doesn't spin because I put JB Weld. Now I got the big one. It's a clam voltage. Got this one for like 40 bucks at my local L&M Fleet Supply. But I use this one for big northern stuff. It's pretty thick. It's a medium. But it's a big medium, if that makes any sense. Two proper fellows out there. So, happy to see me again, because I'm back and might be making some ice fishing videos. Who knows? Kind of just remembered that I had a YouTube channel though, so yeah.